Hi, dear investors. Welcome to UA Stock Charting. This is Maggie again. Happy to meet you here in HomilyChart Canada column. And today I'm gonna show you two parts, which you've also seen in the screen. The market outlook of weekly, because today is December 22nd, Friday, okay? And the second one is one of the best tools to win in uptrend. Okay, so let's take a look of the first index of US Dow Jones Industries Index. And you can see I put the weekly chart here because we analyze from the long term to short term. And you can see the weekly chart. We can still join an extended channel here, and before this wedged pattern you can see we draw boxes here, and then the market break out the box with the support of the bankers, so the prices can keep uptrend and also have another time to break out the upper line. So we can see is the trend is still um, upward, and the bankers the bankers keep above 75% of the market. So um, is the trend is and the direction is no problem. And then let's take a look of the daily charts, and you can also find join this uh, channel, extended channel, and the prices touch the um, upper channel which we've shared before days, and the prices go to fluctuation for 4 days, right? Because it touched the line on Monday, because the market fund didn't keep flow in, and so the prices go to fluctuate. Okay, we can draw three lines here. We can name it 1, 2, 3. We call it trend line. That's what I shared. It's a good analyze tool to uh, direct and know the energy of the trend. And you can see the number one trend line. Okay, number one trend line first, and then you will know the number two line corrects number one. Okay, and the number three line corrects number two. This is what trend line can do, tell you the new direction. No matter no matter the direction is better or worse one. So now you can try to draw a line. It's very easy. Okay, I show you here how to draw a trend line. We know that 2 points confirm a line. So in uptrend, this is uptrend. You can connect two low points, and then you can easily draw an uptrend line. Then in the downtrend, you can connect two high point, okay, high point, and then connect them. You can draw an uptrend, downtrend line, okay, downtrend line. So let's take back to this picture. So in the number one line, I connect, okay, there is another point in this way, okay. So actually, I connect here is point and then this point. Okay, the number two line, I connect this point. Okay, I can join here. Oh, it's not good. No problem. So number two lines, I connect this point and this point. Number three lines, I connect this point and this point. So you can get these three lines, and you will know in one chart, you will try to correct them if the trend is changed. That's what I tell you. Uh, the correct line can tell you the new direction. Okay, or we can say the energy of the trend. In this these three lines, we know that the trend is going stronger in the market, in the uptrend. Okay, so in this individual stocks also can use this line. This is a Microsoft Corporation. So before you can draw a long line, okay, trend line stable, and then in the recently you can correct the X9, okay, X uptrend line, and this Microsoft Corporation got stronger uptrend after we correct this trend line, right? Because the strong, we call the bankers flowing in these stocks. But recently the prices go to fluctuated a lot because the bankers go to uh, have a, how to say, worship of the price. So the prices retracement. You can keep looking this red bars. If can still support it around 55% of the market, the prices will have chance to go back again. Okay, this is the Dow Jones, right? And if we see the daily chart of the Dow Jones, we can see the prices go to a little bit fluctuated for 1 week almost. That's also because we shared before the market fund flow out. Now I zoom out this picture. You can see the fund in the second window very clearly. The red column means the money flowing in the market, and the red and the green bar means the fund flow out. So at recently we can draw a line, right? Connect these two high points. We see the funds didn't flow in again, but the prices keep uptrend. But later, but the prices go to fluctuated soon. That's what's the deviation between the price and the fund in the Dow Jones daily chart. And next one, the Nasdaq index in weekly chart is very easy to find a uptrend or normal uptrend line. You can collect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or even more points together, and the prices get retracements on sub retracements by the line. So every time when you touch the trend, it's your time to enter again. And the reason how you can stay for so long time because of the bankers keep in, okay, stay in this market. And this is a weekly chart of SPTSX, the Canada index, okay, which is different from the American index. You can see the first window, the prices go to sideways a lot, okay, and the the red arrow you can see because there are bankers come in, or right, come in, the prices will be pushed up, and there are three uptrend here with the bankers inside. And when the bankers disappeared, instead of the locked chips, okay, there is a lot of yellow chips. Yellow chips means they are hot money. When the hot money take advantage in the market, the prices will go to fluctuated mainly or just sideways. So you can see this area and the recent area go to fluctuated, go to correction because of the hot money. Recently, the hot money means the yellow bar more than 50%. It controls the market, so prices go to fluctuated. The point to need to be noticed is you just catch the uptrend. When it go to flat correction or downtrend, you just quit, okay, just quit or find the uptrend shares. Okay, this is the index, and we know today is Friday. We can review the stocks we talked this week. We talked throughout this week. Okay, a few of them, not all of them. Okay, on Monday we've shared this FedEx Corporation. At that time, we shared their gathering when it's go to fluctuated. Okay, and recently, I spot three circles here. Okay, let's do that. Zoom out to this one. FED. speedy correction. Okay, I will zoom up. We see in the history, recently this share, okay, this stock got a very big gap on 20s. Okay, so generally we will find the history. Uh, it also got a gap to see what it happened next. So this is the first one. When you get a gap, okay, the prices go to fluctuated after a few days uptrend, right, and go to retracement. And here is a very big gap, okay, and then you go to kind of sideways. So recently, if the prices go to sideways, it's very normal because we can find the regularities before. Okay, this is the FedEx, and you see why it always go to sideways, because in these shares also have a lot of yellow chips here, means a lot of speculations, hot money in these shares. So you always go to sideways. You can, it's better for you to do short term, to catch the small money, small profits. Okay, next one, Baba, Alibaba Group. The prices, we know it already break down the uptrend. Easy to draw a line here, which we learned today, right? We can easily to draw a trend line here. Not very formal one, but it still can work. It already break down, right? Already break down. And we learned Homely Rainbow before, right? Before the prices get supported by the yellow lines, but recently it break down the yellow line and it gets supported by the blue line. And another more important data you need to see is the bankers chips diversion. Okay, you can see the bankers chips decreased, okay, below 50% and then below 25%. But the prices didn't drop a lot because there is mainly controlled by the yellow chips, by the hot money. Okay, no green locked chips, or just very few. So if you still hold this one, you just be careful about the green chips. Once the green chips go increase, you need to take a profit and quit of this stock right away. Okay, but once it's hold it here, we can take it as a correction, because when we see the weekly chart, you can see the banker chips still controlled above 75%. We know their longer term determines the short term, but sometimes the short term will influence the long term. So we should combine together. Okay, next one, VIP shop. This is downtrend. Okay, downtrend stock. So what you need to be careful is that if they are if their bankers can still hold it here, okay, and we know there is a big gap here, it's longer to go to fluctuation, and the halfway of this long yin candle is a strong resistance. If it can break out and get supported on these prices, and then you got another chance. Okay, so this is the shares we go through. So I will give you one sentence, okay, from this picture. You have to lose a few battles in order to learn how to win a war. Because sometimes we lose a little, especially recently. The market is a little bit um, like okay, flow a lot in sideways, or just stopped or gap up or gap down like that. So in order to learn how to win better, we sometimes lose a little. And the reason why we keep learning is to minimize the lose and maximize the profit. Okay, so if you in this Saturday, means tomorrow, I will share a course about how to uh, performing stable winning system at Vancouver Richmond Westminster Highway, Richmond. If you want to attend or you happen to stay in Vancouver, welcome to attend our course, and I can give you free code as the first 10 sign registers. Okay, this is my QR. You can scan and register these courses. And to this week also holiday weeks, so we wish you a Merry Christmas, right? And Christmas and New Year's is approaching. Best wishes for a happy holiday seasons from HomilyChart Canada. Okay, that's all for today. So see you next day.